And then in the follow-up question by Ms. Ngube, you said they were later transferred to FSL in Silverton. After how long was that? And I'm trying to make sense of the Port Shepstone one. Was it after 5 months or was it in a short space of time?
Commissioners, if I can perhaps just be referred to my statement, the correct paragraph, because there was a period that lapsed.
Yeah, it's paragraph 58, and then much earlier, I don't think in the earlier paragraph, that's when I asked the question.
Yeah,
They said we'll come to it later.
Yes.
And where we dealt with it was...
If my memory serves me correct, that 1,000 kilogram seizure was submitted to FSL subsequent to the break-in at Port Shepstone. So it was early in December of 2021.
But then you can't use that example to say, well, if it happened in the 1,000 kilogram case, then the Port Shepstone one must also have been sent to FSL. Because as you say, this 100 kilogram, 1,000 kilogram cocaine bust was only sent to FSL after November, which means after the Port Shepstone incident, which means it's possible that if the Port Shepstone incident had not happened, this bust would also not have been transferred to FSL.
Commissioner, yes, it's possible, but I do not know what's the reasons why it was not transferred, except for the explanation from the inquiry that the investigators indicate that they made inquiries at FSL in Silverton, and they were informed that there is no space to accommodate the 1,000 kilograms.
But was it a requirement that the 541 kilogram bust must go to FSL in Pretoria?
Indeed, everything must ultimately land up with the main lab in Pretoria, Commissioner, because after completion of the investigation and the SAP 83A is completed, the exhibits, all the drugs, need to be destroyed by FSL. So all those, the major seizures, find its way to the main lab in Silverton.
You've already answered a question I was going to ask tomorrow, because my question for tomorrow is going to be, once these drugs are at FSL, what happens to them? And you've now just answered it, so thank you. Fewer questions for tomorrow then.
General has